in a while. Say hello.
Hello.
It's so rusty.
I know.
Oh. Okay.
Come on. We gotta do it.
Rusty.
I know.
I'm so rusty. Welcome back to another episode of Fuller. I'm Lloyd.
I'm Kaylee.
Today's episode is extremely special, so we hope it's been worth the wait because all of you right now at home could be in with a chance of winning this exact trick. And I can't tell you what the trick is because Kaylee has no idea what it is.
No.
It's actually been sat in my drawer for a couple of weeks, waiting for the right moment to film it, and I've been itching to show Kaylee this. So, the only thing you need to confirm, as always, that this genuinely is not set up in advance and
No.
acting or anything. You have no idea what's going to happen?
No.
All right, this is pretty interesting. This is pretty cool.
I'm excited to be back. Come on.
What I have here is a deck of cards.
Okay.
As we know, you love card tricks.
Yeah.
She loves card tricks. But there's something interesting about the box. You can see it's got a slit.
Split in it. Yeah.
I want to show everyone at home. You can all see.
Yeah.
It's got a hole to it. And the
Yeah.
reason it's got a hole is I take out the top card.
Yeah.
Because I can take a card, and hopefully you can all see this at home, and I can push it through the centre of the deck. Okay, hope everyone can see that nice and clearly.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Totally through there.
What I want you to do is you take the card,
Yeah.
pull it through, and push it back through yourself to make sure that there is no deception going on here. But the reality of the situation is that's not very impressive.
No.
How could this work? How do you think it's done?
Well, you could have like a slit in the middle of all of the cards could have a slit through them.
In all 51 cards.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is take the card out very slow. I'm going to come closer to the camera. Come closer to the camera.
Okay.
Get in tight. Scooch in.
Scooch in.
Scooch in. Pull the card out.
Yeah.
Right. And your theory was that there
All
was a
of them.
slit. Listen inside. You can hear the cards in there.
Yeah.
Right. Your theory is that there's a slit in every single one of the 52 cards.
Yeah.
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 What I want you to do is go back in time. Think to yourself, how is a deck of cards made? Right?
Okay.
We're going to reverse the process in your head.
Yeah.
So once they are squashed and pressed and printed on, before that, what are they? They turn to mush because they come from
Paper.
paper,
Yeah.
right? That's all mushed up in a big vat and it's
Yeah.
created, it's dried out. They print them. Before they turn to mush,
Mm-hmm.
what are they?
Trees.
Trees, they're wood, right?
Yeah.
And wood is a solid piece of
Yeah.
nothing, right?
Yeah.
Listen to this. Watch. Close. Hold your hands out. Come even closer. I don't want to do anything suspicious.
This is nuts if this is what I think it is.
Inside
Shut up.
Here. You take it out.
Shut up. No.
It's a solid piece of wood. Hold it up to the camera.
What?
Literally.
That is ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
Do anything you want to it. That is a real solid piece of wood. Look, there's nothing funny. Tap it. Hit it.
That's actually real. There's
That's a
no
real-
slit in that. Oh my god. That's impossible. That's impossible. That's impossible.
Look at this.
That's impossible.
Look, I want you. Is it focused?
Yeah. Like, believe me, there is no way.
That's an actual piece of wood.
I can tell. That's ridiculous. Like, there's nothing. There's not anything. How the actual...
This is, well, okay, really quickly, before you get sidetracked, is it a Fuller?
100%. Like, unless you switch that in the box, but that your box is in my
No
sight.
switches whatsoever. No switches whatsoever.
Then I have no idea, because this is,
Entertainment,
yeah, 100% entertained. I thought it was going to be rubbish at the beginning.
creativity.
Oh my god. Totally
Look
creative.
at that, that's literally a
a
block,
block
of wood.
Like a block of wood. Like if that was a whole deck of cards, I would have been like,
Bonus
there's
point?
some sort of trick there. But
Points,
that,
bonus point.
5 across the board.
5 bonus points.
No, 5 across the board. 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. That's amazing, actually. I need to know how it's done.
I'm not going to tell you how it's done.
I hate
I'm
it
not
when he
gonna-
says that.
I'm not going to tell you how. No, this is one of those tricks. So this is Holywood by Hanson Chen. I didn't create it.
Okay.
It's
good.
I'm fascinated by these solid through solid penetration blocks. It's based off a lot of existing things out there from like 100 years ago or more. But there's something about this one which is superior, I believe, to all the rest. And it's one of the very, very, very rare tricks that I am like. If I was to perform for a president or the king, this is probably one of the tricks I would consider doing. It probably might actually be the trick I would do because it's 100%. Like they're never ever gonna work the secret out. If I was doing this to if I actually was gonna perform this to the president or to the king or someone massively important, I would let them keep this.
100%. Like that.
It's completely insane. It's completely insane. It's one of the best tricks I've seen.
That's incredible.
For the last decade. I have such an obsession with this style of effect, but nobody has done it like this.
So it's surreal, that feeling of being able to pull it out and you can see it's going in through the there's no way that it could have gone through that.
Yeah, that's the
thing.
There's no way.
Look. But the only thing I can think of is a switch, and you can't because it was right in front of my eyes.
Take that. You take the card. See?
There's no way. That won't go in.
Nope.
Like that stumped me even more now.
Yeah, when you try to recreate it even, it's insane.
But like even if it didn't go that way.
So I think this is my favorite trick that we've ever done on food.
I love this trick.
Possibly. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's a perfect trick.
It is. And it's so visual and up close, and I controlled it. I literally felt the card go through the wood. He tipped the wood out into my eye, took the wood out. Hanson Chen, you've stumped me.
Stumped like a tree stump. So here's the cool thing. You could get this right now at Hanson's website. The link is on screen right now. It's up in the top corner right now. They are $99, but I will say that there's keep looking, keep examining it. Some tricks pay themselves off 1,000 times over. $99 from Hanson's site is. I think they said this morning when I checked there was 4 available. It tells you how many is left on the site. I know each one takes 1 full day to make.
Wow.
So the link's in the description below. It's on screen. It's on the top corner. You can get yours right now. But Hanson sent me 2 units.
Ooh.
And one of you is going to win the other unit. He sent me to give away to somebody who wants it.
That's so nice.
Actually, let me just show you guys inside this. Is it this one?
Oh wow!
Look at that it's. I'm going to go up to the camera. So it's so lush. But you have the beautiful packaging. You open it up.
Oh wow!
It comes with a bunch of extra stuff in it as well.
So great.
If you would like to win the one that I'm holding, the one that Kaylee's going to hold, you're the star of the show. If you would like to win this exact unit sent to you completely for free anywhere in the world, then Kaylee has been working on something quite secretive.
Mm-hmm.
And what you need to do is go to
Fuller.com, which is my site, and sign up to the mailing list, and you could be in with a chance of winning this. I'm so excited.
The coolest thing is, or the trickiest thing is, Kaylee didn't know that she was giving this away, but she did know there was going to be a competition today. So, go to Fuller.com. Sign up to the mailing list. You must click confirm on your email that goes to your inbox, otherwise you won't be on the email list.
Yep.
And one person from that email list will be chosen by next week to genuinely win this shipped to you for free anywhere in the world. And for anybody who can't wait, or you want to get an extra one, or you just want to be guaranteed to have it in the mail on the way to you, go to Hanson's website. You can see how limited the stock are right now.
Yeah.
So the link to Hanson's website is on screen. It's in the description below. It's in the comments as well. And if you'd like to win a copy, the exact one that Kaylee's holding, then head to Fuller.com and sign up to the mailing list.
Exciting time. Good luck, everybody.
And on that note, if you haven't done so already, please hit the
subscribe button.
And we'll see you guys. We hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you haven't done so already, please
hit the subscribe button.
And we'll see you guys in the next video in a week. Peace.